Hello, Mustang Bob here. Today I want to show you a little bit about how to clean your engine compartment without too much effort. Make it look like brand new. All you need is a can of foamy engine bright made by Gunk, some plastic gloves to protect your hands, and an old toothbrush to get into those hard to reach places. And also a plastic cover or some black garbage bags to cover your engine and protect the electrical components, because you're going to have to rinse this foamy engine bright off after you spray it. So all you have to do is spray it out of this foamy can, like so, onto the area that you want to clean. It's pretty simple. Just don't overspray it everywhere. And then usually you can let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then you can take your gloves and your toothbrush in any spots that are kind of covered with deep gunk. Just give it a brush like this. Then after about 5 minutes you rinse it off with water, and your plastic will keep it from damaging the engine. Okay, so now letting it soak for about 5 minutes, we're ready to rinse it off with water. The water will drip down on your plastic. And now if you look at the before and the after, the left side hasn't been done and the right side has been done. You can see it really cleans things up. Makes it look a lot nicer. Gets off all that grime and grease. So now you can see the right side that I've done here is very clean, and the paint's in good condition. Looks nice. The left side that I haven't done still has a lot of oil and grime on there. The right side just took me about 15 minutes to do, and I'll do the left side next. But this shows you how this simple product can clean up your engine bay and make it look a lot nicer. That's it for now.